Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to stop Yahoo News from using your search information to personalize your experience. Many users are concerned about privacy and want more control over their data. So we will guide you. First, open the Yahoo News app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. After that, click on your privacy controls to see a list of options that manage how your information is used. Next, scroll down to find Search Term Settings. Finally, turn off this option to stop Yahoo News from using your search information for personalized content. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.